Today, I will show you how to color grade this photo using Lightroom in less than 5 minutes. In the beginning, I added my photo to Lightroom. Then I entered the Lightroom app, determined my picture. Then I clicked on Color, then clicked on Mix and set green, hue, saturation, luminance to 67, 31, 40 respectively. I clicked on yellow hue, saturation, luminance 141, 45 respectively. Since the color of the shirt in this photo is pink, we have to click on pink and increase the saturation a little according to your preference. Then click on the orange color and increase the luminance as per your need to brighten the face from my photo. Once everything is done, then click on Done. If you want the image to look more colorful, increase the vibrance a little. Click Effects, Vignette, Texture, Dehaze, respectively -31, 15, 12. Click Details Noise Reduction and Color Noise Reduction to increase the amount slightly. I went back to the color again and reduced the saturation of the orange color a little so that there is less redness on the face. Now the most important thing is the lighting in the photo. I am doing that. You can change it as you like. Use of selective tools. At the beginning, I clicked on Selective and then clicked on Plus and draw a circle. Follow the path shown in the video. The circle should be drawn in the place where you do not want any change in the picture. Then click on Effects, Clarity Dehaze, 32, 27 respectively. If you want, you can change it a little more to see how the image can be displayed better.